Hello again, boys and girls, and here we are to do the last math box. The last set of math boxes, the last math page in the math section for the week 3 packet. So you'll see lesson 3-8 up at the top and page 59 at the bottom. So first we have a clock. It's been a little while since we've done time. So we remember, first we need to take a look and we need to know which one's the hour hand and which one is the minute hand. So, do you remember the little trick we talked about? Well, the word hour is pretty short and the word minute is a little bit longer. So we can think of the hour hand as the short hand and the minute hand as the longer hand. So if I look at this clock down here, I need to decide which one's my hour hand and which one's my minute hand. Well, I can see that this one actually touches the number. And this one doesn't go quite as far. So this one must be my hour hand. I'm just gonna put a little H right there to remind myself. Now, is my hour hand pointing exactly at a number? No, it's not. It's pointing in between. Well, I can see that it's between 12 and 1. Now, have I gone past the 12 o'clock hour? Yes, I have. But have I reached 1 o'clock yet? No, it's not there yet. So I know that my hour is still going to have to be 12 o'clock. So then this one's my minute hand. Well, if you remember, each of our big numbers is 5 minutes, because if we count the little ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that this would be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. When my minute hand is pointing straight down, I know that that's 30. So I'm gonna write 12:30 right there. Okay, it's been a while since we did time, so I wanted to do that one all together. Okay, over here, greater than, less than, or equal to, I'm gonna let you guys do those on your own. What number is shown by the base 10 blocks? You guys are great with base 10 blocks, so I'm gonna have you do that one on your own. This is kind of like the cubes one we had a couple of pages ago. So they want you to circle 10 stars, okay? So you're gonna make a group of 10 and circle them. So how many groups of 10 did you make? You'll write that there. How many stars are there left over after your groups of 10? So how many stars are there all together, okay? And then down here at the bottom, how many base 10 cubes long is the marker, okay? So you're gonna count the cubes from one end of the marker to the other, and that will be your measurement, okay? So why don't you guys go ahead, pause the video to do your work, and we'll come back and go over the answers in just a moment. If there's something you're confused about, just wait till we go over it and you can fill in your answers then. Okay, here we go, guys. This is the answers for our last math worksheet in the week 3 packet. So we did our time one together. Greater than, less than, or equal to 46 is greater than 36 because I look in my tens place, and 4 is greater than 3, or 4 tens is greater than 3 tens. Here, 33 is less than 43 because I've got 4 tens here and 3 tens there. And here, 65 is less than 89. I've got 8 tens here and only 6 tens over there. So then when we come down to number 3, base 10 blocks, we got 2 longs, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you should have filled in B. Circle 10 stars. So I circled 10, and when I looked, I didn't have enough to circle another 10. So I had one group of 10 stars. And then I had 5 more stars left over. So if I have a group of 10 plus 5 more, that tells me that there's 15 in all. And then down here, I have my marker, and all I gotta do is just count the cubes under, and I put little dots on each one to help me with keep track while I was counting, and I counted 14 cubes. So here are the answers for the 5th page, the 5th math page in the math section of the week 3 packet. Awesome job, everybody. We'll be back for week 4 next week. Good job.